My name is Catherine Stowers, and I am a licensed social worker in the state of Illinois and the caregiver specialist at Plow's Council on Aging. We are excited and happy to be partnering with Building Hope for the Future to present this educational session on caring for the caregiver. Plow's Council on Aging is a local nonprofit social service organization serving individuals 60 years of age and older in the Palos, Lamont, Orland, and Worth townships. At Plow's, we are committed to providing the highest level of service to those we serve in our communities. Some of our largest programs include, but are not limited to, the Community Care Program, which is case management for older adults who receive state-supported services, Adult Protective Services, and Caregiver Support Services. The role of being a caregiver is both challenging and rewarding. The goals of this session include understanding the importance of self-care while also helping caregivers understand how to make informed and proactive decisions. As the caregiver specialist at Plow's Council on Aging, I work with families to help them be prepared for the potential caregiving challenges and provide support to them throughout the caregiving process. Please join us on Tuesday, May 15th from 5:30 to 7 p.m. at Hardest Village of Orland Park for the opportunity to grow and develop as caregivers for your loved ones.